Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the Spanish Town Divisional Headquarters out in Spanish Town. And we are going to talk about three major police stations or facilities that are being built in Jamaica. Now, as you know, crime is down big time in Jamaica, and one of the reasons for this is one, the upgrade of police stations around Jamaica, and another reason is the police force has gotten a lot of technology, a lot of new technology. That's just some of the reasons. And to keep the fight up against crime, they are building two police headquarters, this one in Spanish Town, another one in Westmoreland, and they are building, well, they have built a massive forensic lab for the police force. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on these developments. Jamaica is undergoing a historic transformation of its law enforcement infrastructure, marked by major construction projects designed to strengthen public safety, improve policing effectiveness, and modernize forensic capabilities. Among the most significant initiatives are the new Spanish Town Divisional Headquarters in St. Catherine North, the Westmoreland Divisional Headquarters, and the National Forensic Autopsy Suite in Kingston. Together, these projects reflect the government's commitment to modern, secure, and citizen-friendly policing facilities. The Spanish Town Divisional Headquarters, located at Darling Pen, represents a landmark investment in one of Jamaica's most historically significant towns. Once plagued by crime and inadequate policing infrastructure, Spanish Town now benefits from a multi-story facility designed to house administrative offices, detention cells, and modern operational spaces for officers. Sustainability features such as rainwater harvesting, solar energy, and passive cooling have been incorporated, ensuring the facility is environmentally responsible. With an investment of approximately 2.3 billion, the new headquarters is envisioned not only as a police operational hub, but also as a catalyst for community development and investment in the region. Similarly, the Westmoreland Divisional Headquarters is a transformative project for Jamaica's western region. Situated in Landover near Savlamar, this three-story facility spans nearly 65,000 square feet and is projected to cost $2.7 billion. It is designed to accommodate the entire Westmoreland Police Division, providing modern offices, detention facilities, parking, standby power, and technological infrastructure for communications and surveillance. This investment ensures that officers can operate efficiently while enhancing citizen access and safety. Complementing these headquarters is the National Forensic Autopsy Suite in Kingston, the first purpose-built facility of its kind in the Caribbean. This cutting-edge laboratory addresses a critical gap in Jamaica's criminal justice system by providing modern autopsy and forensic services. Equipped with refrigeration for up to 150 bodies, multiple dissecting bays, X-ray rooms, teaching facilities, and solar-powered water systems, the suite dramatically reduces delays in post-mortem examinations and strengthens evidence collection for prosecution. Opened in June 2025, the facility ensures that scientific rigor and efficiency now underpin the criminal justice process, contributing directly to more effective law enforcement outcomes. Together, these projects illustrate a holistic approach to law enforcement modernization. They combine operational efficiency, community engagement, technological readiness, and sustainability, addressing both current operational needs and future challenges. By investing in these facilities, Jamaica is not only enhancing public safety, but also signaling to citizens and investors alike that modern, effective policing is a cornerstone of national development. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think about these initiatives. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.